Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal today said that India and New Zealand are gearing to take their ties to the next level. He said this while reviewing the ongoing India-New Zealand FTA negotiation with his counterpart Todd McClay. Mr. Goyal said that both teams are working towards a future-ready and balanced trade pact respecting the sensitivities of the two nations while deepening economic ties, opening new avenues for collaboration and unlocking fresh opportunities for business and consumers on both sides. Piyush Goyal also addressed the India-New Zealand CEO roundtable with his counterpart Mr. McClay in New Zealand. He spoke on India's rapidly evolving economic landscape and said that greater collaboration in areas such as technology, agriculture, education, clean energy and sustainability can unlock new avenues of growth. He expressed happiness that many of the business leaders at the roundtable were of Indian origin. He also called on New Zealand companies to engage closely with the Indian industry in this shared journey of mutual benefit and long-term value for both the sides. Bureau Report News Now.